a lot of nyansafo mo wasasi so no wo muni masama meba beka mu tie me ye enkwala nketo yo mu twa me kom asama kire mo kakra sa nkwala we nyina mo nkrofo tuntum na nina mu no sa nkwala we nyina obi bia ne ho no mampacha ne ho beti yetimi abo modern egade omo ye de omo koto ye form ne de omo pie. When was the last time I who say kuro a ewo Sunday mampacha Ojoma Hama ni krom de sen northern region in Ghana ukodu wa school for gugu form da ben na teacher kra betumi afati akwala no na odi na pia bonten se me de wo konsahwe me de wo kwa mo akwa nante no ahwe ye kuro se ne yete mo ma me no mo papa no so me nke so mo fa mo nko ba bia this is the time me de mo bepie enkwala no na na machi wa ye de omo ko no ye de nkwala pie no ma konsahwe enkwala ye de omo pie no ma konsahwe om na e ko no mba cha dodo se na ba betwami Mwachimi ye papa de amamonkwala say ye mo say ye wo moto sirem no efin ni afuom ene nkate bo ne nkate we mukunuma we nkate amomo so aye tse politank moa Tenibia, you have to learn something. Afe mo mianko ne na mi ya kire mo no so John Dramani Mahama ni bra abre NDC ni bra abre Abua yamfa David nko Ghana no nko face ne wunni ne wo city srem bungurugu yoyo ne ote Sunday man ne ote bimbila ne ote wan no meso menko da menko face bi onyaye benifu majimedo ene me catch no so ye tania poa me John Mahama ye tania poa mote anum otumfo di nsamfo a me bia jago no so di na tem se ono so di muade no kai ohene da bededa wan na manya shat papa wa hene da bedi wan na manya sha chako da we dia kai what make us sem chere chante hene che wa dia ai na wa chensha ne ho nyina wo wa hoodin bi na wo yesremni na se wa hoodin aba kwasia kan wo srem mba John Mahama kro mo fa ho nhye mo fa John Mahama kro mo nhye ho mame wo yesremni na wo tin nsema mekan ade amba ne kan ye kwasia yanko yesrem ye ma na mo ma na omugugu fam me sei nyame ya adoma we me na mabonte na me ye video mekwa akotwe mo video mekọ mu krom ho meyi mo ma ho de abekere kwase ahwe ne mo ma ho aye nantwie oti Germany wo nyansa nantwie wo Germany wa ho fa hodie nantwie wo Germany adwene odi san aponche enkokọ mo Germany wo good life sen wo ba no teach srem no wo ba ho te sade mo makra ye hu o mo nipa o mo ye mo atoliwa enta fo munya jimi no entafa mo akwantu munya jimi ntafo amwa efie munya jimi wo ye tani asuanya nsa na fa energy no kokogu krom senfo so na omunya ade papa mamu na moya muadodo ya fa munya hwi wo wiase kwase afo ma mponti ni enti a John Dramani Mahama kana no atum se Kevin Taylor eni asantifo nyina atem woni di tribe atem woni di akanfo ma men kana akanfo doson abonofo ansatefo o de sen ye nuanom okokwa oni ho ahwanfo na mpacha o munyina ya kanfo tan mana Kevin Taylor di akanfo atem no mutimi hunu nyansa ka se onkoso ni akanfo na atem because o magimi se o ma meto aba ama John Dramani Mahama ene me ka asem bi akere wo wo ye tani enkwala ne yabo omo ho banya omukọ kama kan mo hu hwan sremni ba na oba ho ti sei sremni ba na wo ba nam fom na emfuturo ni ho sremni ba na oba nam fom emfuturo ni yempese ye beba ministries wo no ye be hu se obi ho no ma ye friend sanitation minister yempese ye be hu sanitation ministry no ne offices e wo ministry ho. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Are you there? Can I preach on? I don't want to see sanitation minister at the ministries. We don't want to see their offices because they are irrelevant. They are incompetent. And to John Dramani Mahama time, no, there was someone we call sanitation minister.
Masha say a question this so-called ministers, no. Ye who say new man can say so none of them is delivering. Obini why road minister de muamunim or the John Dramani Mahama ne kambo no mu digana fosika. Me say sanka me be government na say me ba ma John Dramani ka I will put you to jail. It's a promise. Sanka me akwenye eba ma me David ma ba be president aka mem wa dew bini ho. Ka mema wo John Dramani Mahama wo be dew bini ho. By the time they take you out, no, now we're seeing some senses. Ube seeing yansa. Ka ube seeing yansa. When I believe ultimate confess or the same sanitation minister would live a year or the same office, no number of years a channel office, no or sanitation ministry, no. Or meant to deliver, then there has to be, there should be an accountability. We call you and we question you. Why did you appoint this person? He couldn't deliver and you didn't do anything about it. Why? Were they being paid? You ask them, were they being paid? Did you pay your sanitation ministry? Were you paying them? You mean you took Ghanaian taxpayers' money to pay your sanitation ministry workers? Then there should be an accountability. Hey, Ghana for Muslim BBO, John Mahama, or you empty-headed man. He has nothing for Ghana. Oh, now, Enya Kufuado and Kawu Pasuato, Kaubet me and Baba begin say, I'm coming back. Ah, I would rather Jimmy D. Message na me ba e ba kope. Only to fix that being issues. John Dramani Mahama ni minyansa. John Mahama ni minyansa o. Mo he or say 10 year boa ba ko so ono so abaha. Ahmed Rahman or say Mr. Preko is in is in Kosiaman here. Wa Kosiaman here. Free education, Abano. Enroll yourself in free education. Go and find yourself a better education. A botoliwa. Unyai bemifu. Unyai bemifu. Hey, Raman Shabibio. You have to learn something. Learn something. Learn something. Ahmed Rahman. You have to learn something. Unyai bemifu. Wajimio Kasia onipa mudi nechi no me ka che se onimu nyansa monsan free nechi na mon kwahwehwe better person Kofi Krantem na nam de digitalization ebremo omode no it is not just verbal bragging and bragging and bragging no he means it Kasia common that's been issues. Ya fix it esifako. Brabasha na ko kachira onkrofo said they should do the same thing. Akasia ye di besi household yi anase efitwehye mu no mo hu kwan bafa so ambeye na ebeye kama. Nienti a omo nya nyina no. That's been no ye di besi wona se nwura ne ye ma ye nya ka ma ne mefa. Instead of say omo implement this idea na sanitation ministry no if he is not ready to provide such things then mon cancel sanitation ministry